Hey, this is Chuck from Aquatic Artists, and we are here at a renovation project that we're going to be doing in the very near future. This project we're going to rip out. We're going to take this whole thing out. So this was built by another contractor, and the homeowner is very unhappy with it for several reasons. One is a bunch of little rocks, stacked up, pile of rocks, doesn't look great. Number two, there's coping across the front here. There really shouldn't be any coping here. All the rocks should be set on the beam of the pool, and the waterfall should cascade over the pool. This is set back, and then the water rolls back and it leaks. So it leaks, and again, it doesn't even look aesthetically great because this coping is right in front of the waterfall. So when we rebuild our structure, number one, we're going to take the whole thing out, but all our rocks are going to sit on the beam of the pool. So we're going to take this coping out, and we're going to rebuild this structure. And what we're going to do is we're going to build one of our deluxe slide waterfall projects in its place. The deluxe slide is going to start over there, and it's going to roll around the back, and then the steps are going to come down this way. The waterfall is going to be bigger. It's going to be more built in. We're going to take out the coping. We're going to reset the decking so it goes right up to it, and then we're going to push the structure out a little bit that way. All the plants are going to come out, and we're going to build something pretty awesome. One of the tricky things here is that the pool equipment is back there. So we've got to work around the pool equipment. We got to build this in front of it, and then build a retaining wall in the back. And then we've also got to work around this canister, this air canister, which is right here. So, you know, renovation projects get tricky when you're kind of working around multiple different things, and you got to make it fit, but then you also got to make it look good. And then you also got to be able to get in there and build it, right? So there's a couple moving parts when you work on these tight spaced renovations. And also the pool's full of water, so we don't want to make a mess either. So we're going to do all those things flawlessly, so stay tuned.